Jay-Z to Mark Zuckerberg. It would take 66 Jay-Z's to equal the wealth of one Mark. Crazy. 3 coders make movies and games. All the ones on the consoles we play. Yeah, they write the games. Code them to reality. Racing to the finish line of through the galaxy. 4, you don't have to sport a 3-piece suit. Go to work in a hoodie or a 1-piece. Woo. 5, your office is maneuverable. You don't have to be restricted to a cubicle. You can go from the beach in Fiji or in the piazza, fighting your feezy. And how do you say Wi-Fi in Italian?
Wireless internet, it's a weird.
6, so many companies will like you. They'll be offering perks to entice you. Rock climbing gyms, massages, scooters, free food, plus those high-tech computers. 7, you know computers aren't smart. They have chips but no brain or heart. You could be Napoleon, control for them. When you write a little bit of code for them. 8, code is like music. It's rhythmic, feels so good, and the work's so prolific. 9, beyond all the lifestyle perks. Coders change the world when they put it in the work. Medical research to help cure cancer. An algorithm just might have the answer. By 2030, we hitting the red planet, and I guarantee you coders will be the ones that'll plan it. Not too many ladies in the code game, but now I think it's time for that to all change. You can pick your wildest dream, turn around and code it out from the wildest screen. 10, so go invent a hot app. Make a cool meal, then take a long nap. Take it from Chris Bosh or even Steve Jobs. Code the next iPod at your sweet job. Let's code.
So today we're going to start coding with a program called Tinker. So I have a link here on our Ms. Page's lab page to click on, and then it's going to ask you to sign in. This is going to be your username and password just like you log into the computer. Now mine will be a little bit different because I'm going to log into the student user as an example account. Okay, we're not doing this. It says, welcome. Here are some goodies for joining Tinker. Solve puzzles to unlock even more prizes. So I got 10 plus game characters, 20 plus puzzles, XP reward, and a character bundle. So I'm just going to exit out of that. I don't need this Valentine coding thing, so I'm going to exit out of that. And then I'm in 3rd grade, so I want to do the 3rd grade lessons. So I see here, number 1 is Welcome to Tinker, and I'm at 0%. If I finish Welcome to Tinker, then I move on to Puppy Adventure, then Puppy Maze Craze, and then Puppy Playtime. But I want to start at the beginning, so I'm going to hit Start on number 1, and it says Welcome to Tinker, Introduction, so I'm going to click the light bulb to get started. Tinker uses these little monsters. So it says click in. Hi there, welcome to Tinker. Click anywhere to continue. Here we're going to learn to code and build awesome games. We're going to learn to code using Tinker and visual language. It's super easy to code with Tinker. You will use visual coding blocks that connect together like Lego pieces. These blocks represent programming concepts and will let you create almost anything you can imagine, such as animated characters, greeting cards, music videos, and even video games. Here's an example of things we'll be making together. So you can watch the video. I'm going to click continue so that I can get on with instructions. And it says that was fun. Now we're ready to solve the puzzles. Hopefully your guy will go a little quicker loading up than mine is. Okay, so can you help Gus get the tablet? So my job is to move the walk block onto the on start. They have to connect to get him to move. Now I can click this to try it out. He didn't move far enough, so that didn't work. So I'm going to have to add more. So let's see, I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like I need 4 walks. So I have to connect enough. If I do it wrong the first time or even the second time, that's okay. If I need to just try a little bit and have him do that part so I can see if it works and then add on to it, switch it around, whatever, it's fine. If you don't get it right the first time. So now I'm going to try it. 1, 2, 3. And now I completed the puzzle. So now if I needed to replay, but I really don't need to replay, so I'm going to move on to the next one. And your job is to keep going through the lessons and get as far as you can. And it gets harder as you go because now not only am I walking, I have to add in jumps. I might have to go more than one direction. Eventually, I will get into learning about repeats. If there's anything you're having trouble with and you can't figure out, let me know so that I can help you. But just have fun learning to code.